So why is Oracle suddenly successful right now, or basically moving into being more successful? Well, Oracle's modular flexible cloud architecture allowed it to address hybrid and private cloud demands that hyperscalers often overlook. So this positions OCI as a unique fit for enterprises needing cost-effective and non-hyperscale deployments. So what happened is, I think they took an innovative take at the market. So instead of just looking at the hyperscalers and seeing what they're doing well, and announcing me too, in other words, we're going to do it as well. You should use us though. That's a tough sell. But what Oracle did is basically out innovate many of the hyperscalers. So what they're able to do is to provide on-prem and public cloud solutions that are very much the same. And so you have the flexibility of moving workloads to either platform with somewhat ease. And so there's a parity between the on-prem infrastructure and the public cloud infrastructure. That's something you don't see in the hyperscalers. You know, obviously AWS pushes the public cloud version of their stuff. They do have a on-prem version as well. And ultimately Microsoft has, similar things, but the on-prem version versus the public cloud version don't have parity. They're not exactly the same. The on-prem version is going to provide a subset of the services that you see in the public cloud provider. For the most part. Obviously, you can look at the technical specs. I'm not going to teach you about each of the hyperscalers here. And kind of same thing with Google. So that positioned Oracle in a unique place. I've always been calling for the fact that if we had some cloud-based system that provided private cloud and public cloud infrastructure that had parity, basically the same tools, the same look and feel, things like that the enterprises would find that of value. And now we're moving into the alt cloud space where enterprises are looking for alternatives to the hyperscalers, AWS, Microsoft, and Google. And they're looking for alternatives that not only provide them public cloud infrastructure, but on-prem or private cloud infrastructure as well. And Oracle has that. And I think that's a unique differentiator. And I think that's defining some of the success that they're experiencing right now. So next would be strong price performance metrics.